Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Espero que estén bien. Welcome to my YouTube channel Salud Spanish for All. Friends, in this video we will learn how to describe time in Spanish language. La hora. La hora means the time. The word hora also means hour literally, but it is also used for time. This word hora is feminine, so all the time in Spanish we have to describe in feminine only. To describe time in Spanish, we have to use the verb ser. So how we ask time in English language? What time is it? That is the question we use to ask time, right? So in Spanish, what means que, time means hora, and is it is what? The third form. So third form of the verb ser is what? Es. So in Spanish, the question is que hora es. Not that there is a reverse question mark before the question in Spanish. While writing, it is compulsory to put a reverse question mark before the sentence and normal question mark after the sentence. So, que hora es, that is the question we have to use to ask time in Spanish. Now, it is 1 o'clock. It is what? The third form. Third form is es. So, it is 1 o'clock is es la una in Spanish. Literally it means it is the one. The word o'clock is included in this es la una phrase. So es la una itself means it is 1 o'clock. You can notice that la article is used here, that is feminine. Now what about 2 o'clock? In English, from 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock till 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, we write it is 2 o'clock, it is 3 o'clock, it is 5 o'clock, it is 10 o'clock. In Spanish, 1 o'clock is singular, but from 2 o'clock till 12 o'clock are considered as plural. So in place of it is 2 o'clock, in Spanish we have to write they are 2 o'clock, they are 3 o'clock, they are 4 o'clock, that way. So how we can describe it is 2 o'clock in Spanish? Son las dos. Dos means 2, article las, that is feminine plural because 2 is plural. And son is the sixth form of the verb ser. Es is the third form and son is the sixth form. Literally it means they are. Son las dos means they are 2, which means it is 2 o'clock. Same way for 3 o'clock, it is 3 o'clock, we have to consider as they are 3 o'clock. In Spanish it would be son las tres. Clear the complete hour? Okay. Now next, it is 1:30. So casually we say 1:30, but formally in English language we say 1:30 or 30 minutes past 1. So how we can describe in Spanish? Es la una y media or 30. Es la una means it is 1 o'clock, y means n, and media means half. There are 2 halves in 1 hour of 30 minutes each, and there are 4 quarters of 15 minutes each. So 30 means 30 and media means half. So 2 options are there, es la una y media or es la una y 30. For 2:30, first you have to describe 2 o'clock, which is son las dos, and after son las dos you have to add media or 30. Media for half or 30 for 30 minutes. So son las dos y media or son las dos y 30. It is 1:15. So now the quarter hour. Casually we say 1:15, but formally in English language we say 15 minutes past 1 o'clock or quarter past 1 o'clock. Es la una y cuarto or 15. As I said earlier, cuarto means quarter. There are 4 quarters of 15 minutes each, and 15 means 15 minutes. So either you can write cuarto or you can write 15, anyone. Es la una y cuarto or es la una y 15. 3:15. Son las tres y cuarto or 15. Son las tres means it is 3 o'clock, cuarto means quarter, and 15 means 15 minutes. Now it is 4:10. So casually we say 4:10, but 10 minutes past 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock is son las cuatro y 10. 10 means 10. The number of minutes you have to add after e. It is 5:17. 5 o'clock is what? Son las cinco, and then add the number of minutes. Son las cinco y 17. 17 means 17. Where is he? 6:25. It is 6:25. So first we will describe 6 o'clock and then 25 minutes. So 6 o'clock is son las 6 and then add the number of minutes 25. 25 means 25. So it is 6:25 would be son las 6 y 25. Let us learn some more time. It is 6:40. So we will describe 6 o'clock and then we will add the number of minutes which is 40. Son las 6:40. Now friends, here there is one more method to describe this time. 6:40 is near to 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock? Yes, it is near to 7 o'clock. So can we describe this time in English as 20 minutes to 7 o'clock? Right? So here we have to deduct the number of minutes from 60. So 60 minus 40 is what? 20. So one way we can write 6:40 son las 6:40, and the other way we can also describe 20 minutes to 7 o'clock, means 20 minutes are left to 7 o'clock. So instead of 6 o'clock we will take 7 o'clock and we will minus the minutes. Son las 7 menos 20. Son las 7 means it is 7 o'clock and menos means minus or less and 20 means 20. So literally 7 o'clock less 20 minutes or 7 o'clock minus 20 minutes. Son las 7 menos 20. So there are two different methods to describe this time, and this method you have to apply when the minutes are more than 30. Clear? 6:40 minutes are more than 30. One more example, 7:53. So you can notice 53 more than 30. More than 30 minutes are given here. So one way is the same as it is 7:53, that is son las 7 y 53. 53 is 53. The other way, 8 o'clock minus 7 minutes. In English we can say 7 minutes to 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock is what? Son las 8 menos 7. Clear? One more example, it is 8:47. Son las 8:47. Son las 8, 8 o'clock y 47. 47 is 47. The other method is what? 13 minutes to 9 o'clock. 30 minutes are left to 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock is son las 9 menos 13. 13 is 13. Literally it is 9 o'clock minus 13. 12:15. We can say quarter past 12 or we can say 15 minutes past 12. So 12 is what? Son las 12 y cuarto or 15. We have discussed this thing earlier. Now 12:45. So as per the first method, 12:45 we can describe as son las 12 y 45. 45 is 45. The other way is what? Quarter to 1 o'clock or 15 minutes to 1 o'clock. We are discussing the 12-hour time format. So for 12:45 we will not take the 13 hours. 13 hours is only possible if you want to describe the 24-hour time format. In day-to-day life, practically they people use the 12-hour time format. The 24-hour time format usually is used in airport and the railway stations, right? Okay. So in place of 13 hour we will take 1 hour. So it is 1 o'clock minus quarter or 1 o'clock minus 15 minutes. 1 o'clock is what? Es la una. Es la una menos cuarto or 15, anyone. Now as we are learning 12-hour time format, we also need to know to apply AM and PM. Now Spanish people don't use AM and PM the same way as they are used in English. First, let us try to understand in English language what is AM and what is PM. The full form of AM and PM, ante-meridiem and post-meridiem. Meridiem is what? Meridiem is the half-day time, the midday time, 12 o'clock in the noon. Ante means before and post means after. So ante-meridiem means the time before the midday or mid-noon, and post-meridiem means the time after the midday. Right? So at 12 o'clock exact in the noon or at night, we cannot write 12 AM or 12 PM. AM and PM we can apply till 11 o'clock 59 minutes and 59 seconds. and after 12 o'clock if there is 1 second or 1 minute. But exact 12 o'clock we cannot write AM or PM grammatically in languages. On mobile phones and laptops you can find 12 AM and 12 PM because it is a digital technology. Each and every technology has its drawback, right? But grammatically we cannot write 12 AM or 12 PM. So what is 12 o'clock in the noon or 12 o'clock at night? We can say mid-noon or midday, or we can say 12 noon. And for night we can say 12 night or midnight. So 12 noon or midday is es el mediodía in Spanish, and 12 night or midnight is es la medianoche. Clear how you can describe 12 noon and 12 night in Spanish? Es el mediodía, 12 noon, es la medianoche, 12 night or midnight. Now let's try to understand in Spanish how we have to describe the time AM and PM. It is 7 AM, it is 3 PM, it is 10 PM. So 7 AM is in the morning, 3 PM is in the noon, and 10 PM is at night. So Spanish people describe the time, actual time after the time. 7 o'clock, son las 7 de la mañana, literally of the morning, but in English you can consider it is 7 o'clock in the morning. It is 3 PM, son las 3 de la tarde. It is 3 o'clock in the noon or in the afternoon. It is 10 PM, son las 10 de la noche. It is 10 o'clock literally of the night, or you can say 10 o'clock at night. So for morning time you have to add de la mañana, for noon and evening time you have to add de la tarde, and for night time you have to add de la noche after the time. Clear? De la mañana, de la tarde and de la noche. We will also talk the duration of de la mañana, de la tarde and de la noche. The time period when you can use mañana, tarde and noche. First de la mañana. De la mañana you can use after midnight to 11:59 AM. Clear? So after midnight you can use de la mañana till mid-noon, but 1 second left. De la tarde after midday to 7:30 PM. Because buenas tardes is what? Good afternoon and good evening both. So after midday till 4 o'clock we consider as afternoon, and after 4 o'clock till 7:30, usually till the sun sets, we consider as evening. So for noon and evening both we have to use de la tarde. So for de la tarde the time duration is after midday to 7:30 PM. And de la noche, the night time, is after 7:30 PM till midnight. 1 second left to midnight, 11:59 PM. This is the time duration for de la mañana, de la tarde and de la noche. Okay, now to describe the exact time, the sharp time. It is 6 o'clock sharp. Sometimes we describe this time, right? It is 6 o'clock sharp. So how we can describe this time? Okay, what is 6 o'clock first of all? Son las 6. So after time we have to add en punto. Son las 6 en punto. En punto means sharp time, exact time. So this is how we can describe the sharp time. So clear friends? Everything is clear? You can describe any time from your watch.